So till now, we have seen an example of a scripted pipeline. Okay. So I'll go in detail about the declarative pipeline. Okay. How declarative pipeline is better than scripted later. First, let me start with rewriting the same job as a declarative. Let me create a new item and let me create a new job called declarative pipeline. And in the pipeline, let me just try the GitHub plus Maven. So this is a simple example of a declarative pipeline. So here it is going to have only one stage. In that it is going to do the git pull and Maven build. In the post build action, I'm going to have this. Okay, let's rewrite to our scenario. Let's first step, let's declare the tools. So I'm going to run the pipeline. And the next option is we are having agent option. So this is where you are going to define on which agent I want the pipeline to run. Okay. On the stage level also, you can define the agent in which agent I want this to run. Okay. We will see that option in the upcoming labs. Then let me define the tools. Okay. So Maven, the tool name is MVN3, you know that. And let me define the JDK also. JDK. And the tool name is JDK 1.8. I can directly define the tool here. In the scripted, I need to attach it to an environment variable or all those things I need to do. Here it is not needed. You just define the tool, it will use the respective tool. And next is, I'm having only one step. Okay, let me divide that into two multiple steps. Okay, so stage, let me add one more stage called pull SEM. Instead of having it as a single thing, let me define two stages. So stage, and I can name the stage, and it will be pull SCM and open the bracket for it, that stage, and inside that I'll be defining my steps. STPS steps. Let me bracket for this, and there let me use the same syntax generator I have used. Right, we have used a syntax generator, right? Let us use the syntax generator to generate that option. And syntax, open link in a new tab. Let me select git, and in the URL, let me provide the URL. And in the credentials, let me select my git credential. And let me use this pipeline snippet here inside the steps. Okay. Next, in the build step, let me remove this. Okay. And then let us run the script maven -this, and then I need to provide -f API-gateway /clean package. And for this particular step, I can define a post build action. So post build action, you can run it on multiple conditions. Like whenever it is success, I want this to be run, or in case of failure, I want this to be run. We'll see these things detailed in the action in the upcoming lab, where we'll be setting up our email notification for success and failure scenarios. We will see that there. So on success, I want this to publish the JUnit result, which will be under my API gateway. And target surefire report star.xml. and I wanted to archive the file, which will be under the API gateway /target star.jar. Okay, so this is a clean way of writing the pipeline using declarative syntax. So pipeline, I'm defining the agent on which agent I wanted to run, and I can predefine my tools which are used for this pipeline, and I'm creating stages. Inside that, two stages are there. One is pull SCM and another one is build. And inside the pull SCM stage, I'm writing a code to pull the Git, and next in the build stage, I'm executing the Maven command, and as a post build action on success, I'm publishing the JUnit result and archiving the artifact. So let me save this job and build it. So it is doing the declarative tools installation, and then in the pull SCM, you can see the log. So it is pulling the master branch, and next is the build stage, and then on the post build archival, things are done, and I can, if I refresh the page, I can see the artifact and the test results trend. So this is how you can use a declarative pipeline to build your job.